Good day, everyone. This is Brian again. Let's see. I have a quick follow-up. I did a video, I think, on Friday about the news trading course that I'm offering. So I had quite a few questions pop in. I guess first and foremost was what size account should you have? You could start off with. I've had a few people start off with $50 accounts. If you're $50 basically. I'd recommend maybe 100, but a $50 account can do it. Number two, broker selection. I highly recommend FXCM unless for some odd reason you're locked in with some other Forex broker. And if you are, then basically what you want to do is just follow the course step by step. By the end of step 2, you'll know if that broker works or not. Step 1 is just basically information. It's reading, it's the boring shit. It's like terminology, how to set up the EA settings. Step 2 is when we move into demo mode with your broker, then actually start placing some trades. By the end of step 2, you'll know if your broker is going to work or not. So that was, first question was size of account. Minimum size of accounts, 50. I mean, if your broker does smaller than that, that's really going to be pushing it because, of course, like I mentioned in the other video, the 4 results you're going to get are a dud, nothing happens, a small win, a small loss, and the trade takes off and does what it's supposed to. Well, let's say you get 3 small losses and you went with a $10 account, you're probably going to pop below your margin. So a $50 account gives you plenty of breathing room to get going. Let's see, I'm trying to think. Let me go through the slide real quick if there's any other questions. The EA itself, another one was, is it 100% automated? No, it is not 100% automated. Reason being is I want to set up per trade for myself. Now, when I say 100% automated, the most it takes is if there's news on let's say if there's news on a Tuesday, Monday night you set it up and let it run. You can go to work, do whatever. You don't have to be there. It will take care of placing the trades for you and closing them if nothing happens. Now, as in for auto-scheduling it, I have not jumped to that yet because there was a few things. For instance, oil is one of my ones I like to trade, even though it's a little risky. But oil goes on US CAD, so if it looks at Forex Factory News, it doesn't know to place a trade on US CAD. That's something that's for the future. I'm not too big on doing the completely automated, but it has been a major request. I've already gotten like 15 people asking me to add that in, so I guess that is something we will add in. The last thing, well, so to summarize that one, the EA is almost fully automatic. You have to do one day. One day, if there's news on a Tuesday, you have to set it up Monday, or you can set it up Tuesday morning if you get up before news. But from then, it takes care of itself. It can take care of multiple trades. So if on Tuesday there's 3 GBP USD reports, it can trade all 3 of them. If there's one on GBP, one on Euro, and one on US CAD, it can trade all 3 of them without any intervention. You set it up and go to work, come back, and your trades are done and over with. The last thing I had is what kind of guarantee do I have that it can work. So let's jump into that. I'm offering a 90-day money-back guarantee with it. So basically, if you're not making money at the end of the 90 days, I'll issue a refund minus the $5 PayPal fee I pay. That's not for the refund. Actually, there might be one for a refund, but I'm not going to get picky about it. That's just when you buy it, PayPal automatically takes out a little bit of money. So if you buy it, the max you stand to lose would be $5. But again, that's only if you didn't follow. If you follow the course step by step and communicate with me during the course, which isn't too hard. Just send me a copy of your trades if you don't understand. I mean, I'd love to see screenshots of your trades, and I can say, hey, this is what you need to do to fix it, and it'll get it working. News trading isn't freaking super difficult. It's just spotting what needs to be changed to make it successful. For instance, the group we're in now, we're in the second. This is the beginning of the 3rd week with the one I'm running with, and we're just now popping into demo profitable. We had to make an adjustment to the spread with the brokers they were using, and now most of them are into profitable. Or we'll see this week. This will be the test. But mine last week when I made the changes, and every trade I've taken so far has been profitable. It's either been a dud or profitable. Haven't got any small losses yet. They're coming. You can't get around that. They are coming. Okay, so if you sign up for the course, get it, and then 90 days later, you say, I'm not making money. All you do is you send me a copy of your spreadsheet. The spreadsheet's included with the course. If you follow the course, you'll be filling the spreadsheet out as you go. And then a copy of your trades from MT4. I'm not saying I don't believe you, but I'll be very honest, we get a lot of lazy people who just jump in and start guessing at settings. This does not work if you guess at settings. It is set, the EA is set up to give you the data you need to dial in the EA to your broker so that you can successfully trade news. If you can't follow that, don't buy it. If you can follow that, buy it, and now you have a 90-day money-back assurance that if you don't, send me that spreadsheet and send me those trades, and you get a refund. But like I say here, if you follow the course step by step, this should never happen. Other than that, that's the little update I had. I did have quite a few questions that came out. I answered some of them, but a lot of them I was getting repeats of. So again, that is it. If you're looking for a link to get it, there's one in the description. If you have questions, my email is also in the description too. Thanks a lot, guys, and you have a great day.